Why do I talk about the biology? Why is this an important part? Well, we've been trying to fix burnout from the wrong place for a really long time. And it's not sustainable, and it's quick fixes. So maybe something that you've tried in your life, maybe it worked, for a little bit of time, but then guess what? You get exhausted again, you experience more stress and more burnout. So it doesn't work from controlling things, especially controlling things outside of us. A lot of burnout, we talk about controlling our environment, controlling our workload, controlling how we're having to navigate things. And all of that is great. It doesn't hurt to handle what's outside of us. But if we're not understanding what's happening inside of our system, if we're not working and looking at it from the biology, nothing changes or transforms long term. So we have to solve it through the nervous system, through the body. Our evolutionary biology, it's not good or bad. It's not connected to our worth, and it isn't about how hard we work or how much effort we put in. Now, this is what I've seen a lot when people are trying to deal with stress or trying to deal with something they perceive as a threat. They just throw more effort at it. They work harder at it. And then we think, if we can't work harder or we're not fixing it with more effort, then something's wrong with us. It's our failure. But none of that is true, and none of that is relevant, right? Our biology is responding unconsciously, and it's good. It's a sign that we're alive. The only question the biology asks is, will this help me survive?